Anyone who has ever opened a chart knows this feeling. Your heart beats faster, your finger hovers over the button, but deep down, you are afraid to make a mistake. Most traders blow their accounts exactly like this, rushing in, guessing, hoping for luck. But the market doesn't reward cows. The market rewards those who are ready to act systematically. And the system is what turns random trading into a predictable process that gives you confidence. I'm Alexander. I've been trading for over 6 years, and I know what it's like to start from scratch with a small account and zero confidence. Today, I will show you that even with $100, you can trade like a professional. No guessing, no panic, just following clear rules. MACD is my main tool. It's not a magic button, but when its signal lines align with price action, it gives me an entry where I can stay calm. And that calmness is what allows me to stay consistent, manage risk, and grow my account day after day. If you're just starting out, know that you can learn to trade without constant stress. And if you're an experienced trader, you already know how important discipline and a clear system are. Inside my Telegram community, we work together. I share entry points and signals every day. I stream live trading sessions, I break down student trades and help them move from chaos to systematic trading. There are already more than 100,000 traders there posting their results daily. Some are profitable for the first time, some just stop blowing up accounts, some are already trading live with me and earning consistently. If you want to be one of them, the link to join is in the description and pinned comment. Now let's open the charts and see what the market gives us today. First, I set up a clean and simple workspace, removing everything unnecessary so nothing distracts me. Switching to a 30-second time frame, that's the core of today's session. Short trades, clear signals. Switching to Japanese candles, clearly see price reactions and where the market is ready to turn. Adding a MACD with classic settings, just making the lines slightly thicker so the crossovers are easy to spot. Marking nearby support and resistance levels to know where price might stop or bounce. Well, all set, time to find the first trade. While scrolling through pairs, looking for a clean chart without too much noise, here's one. Market looks steady, MACD lines are converging, signal might be coming soon. Waiting for candle close for confirmation, MACD crosses, and I go long with $150. Trade open. Great start. Waited for MACD and price to agree before entering. The key here is patience. Trade close in profit. First step done, account and confidence are growing. The second trade, switching to USD Japanese yen, movement is sharper, but MACD stays below zero. If a strong red candle appears, that's my signal for sure. There is the confirmation, shorting with $120. Trade is running here. I just watch without interfering. Okay, perfect technical setup. MACD below zero, candle confirms trend continuation, another profit, 2 in a row, rhythm locked in. Looking at Great British Pound, United States dollar, chart is ranging and MACD near zero, and this usually means an impulse is coming and waiting for breakout. So it's pretty strong candle breaks out. MACD crosses. I enter in the direction of the move with $100. Love these moments, market builds energy and then explodes. MACD gave a clean signal, price confirmed, no hesitation, trade closed in profit. Great finish for the first 3 trades. Okay, switching pairs, market steady, MACD trending upward. Candles are smooth, no chaos, this is a good sign. And we are waiting for a crossover. And there it is. clear signal, and I go long with 150 bucks. Everything aligned, MACD price, overall trend direction, everything aligned, MACD, overall trend direction, price, and another profit. Strong continuation of the streak. Account keeps growing. Okay, our fifth trade here. This pair is choppy. MACD gives an early signal here. It's kind of risky setup to be honest, but looks tempting. So, shorting with 120 bucks. Let's see if the impulse holds. Price suddenly reverses upward. Full signal. Loss. That happens. The key is not to overreact and double your position right after. I stay disciplined and move on. So our next trade is number 6. Next pair looks calmer. MACD lines converging again. Waiting for candle confirmation. No repeat of last mistake. The signal confirmed. I go long with $180. Wow. Perfect setup. Trend supported the entry. Price moved my way. Profit. Strong comeback after the loss. Trade number 7. Switching to Great British Pound, Japanese Yen. Clear downtrend. MACD below 0. And I wait for a pullback to get a better entry here. Pullback candle forms, followed by a new wrap candle, and I go short with $200. Great entry, waited for pullback, caught trend continuation, profit again. Key takeaway, don't rush, wait for confirmation. And our last trade for today, guys. The market is consolidation, MACD near 0. Patience. These phases often lead to strong moves. Strong candle appears, MACD crosses. Now go with the move. $150 entry. Clean breakout, price moves smoothly, profit. Account growing again. Today's session, 8 trades, 1 loss, but overall solid profit. Once again, this proves what matters is not any single trade, but the system as a whole. MACD works beautifully when used correctly. Wait for the crossover, wait for price confirmation, enter calmly. That's how I trade every day, patiently, systematically. And that's why it works, not just for me, but for hundreds of traders in my Telegram community. Every day you will find real-time trade breakdowns, entry points with explanations, live trading streams on my real account, and honest stories from members who gone from blowing up accounts to trading systematically. The link is in the description and pinned comment. Join us if you want to stop just watching and start growing and learning to trade with us. See you in the channel and in the next video. Bye!